Hello friends, this is Chintan Dave and today we are going to revise the words which we have already covered in our English vocabularies channel, English vocabulary section of my channel. And today we are going to revise the words which has been covered in video number 11 to video number 15. So welcome all to English Ka Gyan Chintan ke saath. And without wasting any time, let's start the discussion of the 10 words as a part of this revision video. Okay. So the first word that we are going to discuss is omniscient. And if I talk about the category of this particular omniscient word is adjective. And the sentence that I have created for this particular word is omniscient scientists should inspire young children to follow their footsteps for betterment of country. Omniscient yani expert. It means an individual who has complete knowledge about any different particular thing that can be considered as a omniscient. Omniscient yani in a very easy way we can consider omniscient means expert of any one particular field. So that is what the meaning of this omniscient word, and the sentence meaning is यानी जो भी omniscient साइंटिस्ट जो है यानी एक्सपर्ट साइंटिस्ट जो है वो यंग चिल्ड्रन को जो यंग यूथ है उनको इंस्पायर करना चाहिए फॉर द बेटरमेंट ऑफ कंपनी यानी कि बेटरमेंट ऑफ कंट्री यानी कि कंट्री के अच्छाई के लिए जो एक्सपर्ट साइंटिस्ट है वो यूथ को इंस्पायर करना चाहिए. दैट इज व्हाट द मीनिंग ऑफ द सेंटेंस दैट आई हैव created over here. Now the second word for this particular revision is novice. If I talk about the type of the word for this novice is itself, it is a noun. And the sentence that I have created for this particular word for this particular revision video is, besides sharing experience with novice players in any sporting events, senior players should also take honors of forming various strategy to beat opponents. यानी कि the meaning of this particular sentence is के नोविस प्लेयर के साथ एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करने के अलावा सीनियर प्लेयर की ये भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि वो अलग अलग स्ट्रेटजीज बनाए टू बीट द ओपोनेंट यानी ओपोनेंट को हराने के लिए अलग अलग स्ट्रेटजी बनाना वो भी एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है किसकी सीनियर्स प्लेयर्स की. किसके अलावा to share experience with novice player, and the meaning of this novice is someone who has less experience in one particular field. यानी कि जो beginner level के जो बंदे होते हैं in any one particular field, that can be or those individuals can be considered as a novice individual in that particular field. So that is what the meaning of novice word. Now let's go to the third word that we have already discussed, and the word is reconcile. Itself, it is a verb, and the sentence that I have created for this particular word is, after reconciliation meeting there should be no conflicts between different parties present in the meeting. Reconcile का meaning ये होता है कि जो दो डिफरेंट पार्टीज हो, डिफरेंट एंटिटीज हो, उन जिसके बीच में डिस्प्यूट चल रहा है, जिसके बीच में डिफरेंशिएशन है, वो डिफरेंसेस दूर करके फ्रेंडली एटमॉस्फेयर जो खड़ा कराना होता है, दैट कैन बी कंसीडर एज ए रिकॉन्साइल. यानी कि डिस्प्यूट्स को रिमूव करना, दैट कैन बी कंसीडर एज ए रिकॉन्साइल. यानी जो वो we can also consider this reconciliation meeting as a setup meeting, or a kind of meeting in which the different opinions has been removed or has been discussed thoroughly, so that there will be a friendship between those two entities. यानी कि जो भी problems हो उसको दूर करके फिर से friendship खड़ी करना, that can be considered as a reconcile word, or the meaning of this particular reconcile word. So the meaning of this particular sentence is कि वो उस प्रकार की मीटिंग के बाद जो दो डिफरेंट पार्टीज है उनके बीच कोई कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स नहीं रहने चाहिए. That is what the meaning of reconcile word. Expedite, that is the fourth word for this particular video, and itself expedite is a verb. Expedite means to increase the speed of something. That is what the meaning of this particular word, and itself is a verb. So uh, the sentence that I have created over here is expediting growth rate should be the primary focus of any current government of relevant country. यानी कि growth rate जो है उसकी speed बढ़ानी, that should be the primary focus of any government of any country. यानी कि कोई भी country की government जो हो उसकी primary responsibility जो है वो ये होनी चाहिए कि उसकी growth rate को वो increase करे. That is what the meaning of the sentence for expedite. Again here I would like to say, if you would like to see the explanation of this word in more detailed way, probably on top of the video you are going to see the different links of each and every video, so you can visit those video and you can learn the meaning and the sentence from those videos too for this kind of words. Now let me go to the another word for this particular video, and the word is philanthropic. Itself it is a adjective. Philanthropic means any work relevant to charity, any charitable जो भी work हो, volunteer जो work हो, that can be considered as a philanthropic word, right? And the sentence that I have created for this particular word is many individuals participate in philanthropic activities just to get fame. यानी कि इस दुनिया में बहुत सारे ऐसे बंदे हैं जो फिलेंथ्रोपिक एक्टिविटीज में पार्ट लेते हैं बट जस्ट टू गेट फेम, यानी वो फेम पाने के लिए ही ये सब एक्टिविटीज में पार्ट लेते हैं. देयर इज नो रियल रीजन in their minds to do something better for society or something like that. So that is what the meaning of philanthropic. And philanthropic means something relevant with charity, volunteer work, or something like that, that can be considered as a philanthropic. Now the second word that we are going to discuss for this particular video is unanimous. Unanimous means when some decision is taken with fully agreement by different entities, that can be considered as a unanimous decision, right? यानी सभी के क्या कहते हैं कि सभी के एग्री होने के बाद जो डिसीजन लिया जाता है, that can be considered as a unanimous decision. And the sentence that I have created for this particular word is parents should take unanimous decision by having proper discussion with their children about their career. यानी पेरेंट्स को एक फुल्ली अग्रीमेंट वाला डिसीजन लेना चाहिए. किसके साथ फुल्ली अग्रीमेंट? तो क्या भाई उनके जो चिल्ड्रन है उनके साथ फुल्ली अग्रीमेंट वाला जो डिसीजन है वो लेना चाहिए फॉर देयर करियर. दैट इज व्हाट द मीनिंग ऑफ यूनानिमस वर्ड. Unanimous means, very simple meaning for unanimous means when a decision is taken by having proper inputs from every entity, and if every entities agree with that decision, then that decision can be considered as a unanimous decision, right? Now let's move to the second word that we are going to discuss, and the second word is felicitate. Felicitate itself, it is a verb, and it is a synonym of congratulate. So simple, straight away, meaning of this felicitate word is congratulate. And the sentence that I have created for this particular word is parents should felicitate their children on their smallest achievement to boost their confidence. यानी parents को उनके बच्चों को छोटी छोटी बात पे भी कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट करने चाहिए, छोटी छोटी अचीवमेंट के लिए भी उनको कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट करना चाहिए टू बूस्ट देयर कॉन्फिडेंस, टू एनहांस देयर कॉन्फिडेंस. एंड दैट इज व्हाट the role of parents in today's generation of contemporary families. In today's time of nuclear families, parents should make sure that they encourage their children on a constant basis so that there will be a less mental ailments, cognitive ailments, and all those things, and less cases of depression and all those things. So felicitate means congratulate. That is what the meaning of felicitate word. Now we are going to discuss the another word, and the word that is right now available is staunch. And if I talk about the meaning of this staunch word, is something like very loyal and very committed to one particular field, one particular thing, one particular person that can be considered as a staunch. In itself, it is a adjective. And the sentence that I have created for this particular word is every army man is a staunch supporter of his or her nation. यानी जो भी आर्मी में होने वाला हर एक बंदा जो है वो एक लॉयल सपोर्टर है, एक वेरी कमिटेड सपोर्टर है उन रिस्पेक्टिव नेशन का. दैट इज व्हाट द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर word in a sentence. Now the second, now the another word that I'm going to discuss over here is pandemic. Pandemic itself is a noun, and the meaning of this pandemic word is nothing but a situation in one particular, a situation in which one particular disease um has been spread in a large amount and affecting so many people, that can be considered as a pandemic. And the sentence that I have created for this particular word is we will come out from coronavirus pandemic by expediting the speed of research. यानी कि रिसर्च की स्पीड को बढ़ा के हम ये जो पेंडेमिक की सिचुएशन है उससे हम बहुत ही जल्दी बाहर आ जाएंगे. That is what the meaning of pandemic word. Okay, and now we are going to discuss the last word for this particular video, and the word is demystify. Demystify itself is a verb, right? And demystify, the simple meaning of demystify is explain something in a very easy way. That is what the meaning of demystify word. And the sentence that I have created for this particular word is teachers can demystify various subjects to students with the help of internet, right? With the help of internet, right? And probably here my spelling is wrong, so let me change it to correct one. Teachers can demystify various subjects to students with the help of internet. यानी teachers जो है वो students को बहुत ही easy way में बहुत सारे subject explain कर सकते हैं with the help of internet nowadays, and especially this kind of quarantine time, right? So this is what I have for today's video. Okay, this is what the 10 words we have discussed in this particular video as a part of revision of our words which has been learned by us, which has been discussed by us earlier in earlier videos. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you get something to learn from this particular video. If you like this content, then please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for getting regular updates for this kind of vocabulary, for this kind of discussion about the vocabulary. And definitely if you start using this kind of vocabulary in your communication, definitely you will have a better command on this kind of word, and probably it will definitely improve your communication skills further. That's it from my side. Thank you so much for watching this video, and be safe within your home in this situation of coronavirus. Follow the guidelines which has been set up by the respective governments, support them, and I really wish we will definitely come out from this situation very soon. Thank you so much. Be happy, and see my videos, and follow the tagline English ka gyan chinta ke sath. Thank you so much. Bye bye.